I don't know how many times I have to make the same mistake in order to learn from it. A couple of years ago, I learned that if I have pressure around my knee, especially if I'm pushing very hard through my foot, that pressure doesn't always come, or that pain doesn't always come from my quadriceps, which you typically think, but that pain comes from my hamstrings. Now, I knew that when I had the pain this moment here, but I also forgot that in order to relieve some tension off the hamstring, that leaning on a barbell and moving my leg like this, boom, or from side to side, that alleviates the most tension out of my hamstring. So let's take a step back for a minute. If we want to relieve tension from a muscle, we can stretch it, but that doesn't always help because you put a lot of tension on that muscle. And sometimes self-myofascial release, like some massaging, really helps. Foam rolling is great to relieve tension out of muscles. The problem with the hamstring is that if you want to relieve tension out of the hamstring, you're basically putting tension on the hamstring because you have to straighten your leg in order to foam roll because the floor is in the way. Now, the difference with the quadricep muscle is that if you straighten your leg on the foam roller, the quadricep muscle is already relaxed. If you want to foam roll your hamstring should be nicely loose, but that doesn't really work that well on the floor. That's why when I learned of this method on one random video on Instagram, that I found this so valuable because your hamstring muscle is relaxed. You can press with the barbell onto the muscle, onto the bone, so you can really relax that muscle and you can really find a very tight spot. And what I then like to do when you find that tight spot, just don't pressure into it. Just let your leg swing a little bit from left to right so that muscle glides a bit in between the bar and your bone. And then you try to relax your mind so that the muscle can relax as well. And besides from this motion, I also like to go from left to right. That does work better with a longer pants because now it's like the skin is a little bit irritated, but that's okay. It's for the video. But really, how could I forget about such a good way to relieve tension from the hamstring? I don't know what caused the tension on the hamstring. Maybe there's some other problem in the chain, but I'm not a physical therapist. I just want to show you, if you want to foam roll your hamstring, it's better when it's relaxed, and you can do that either on a table with a foam roller, or you can set up a barbell at hip height and let your leg just hang over it. And I feel like this one really relieves some tension. And just stay in here for a while and try to relax as much as possible. So that was really the video, guys. I wanted to let you know, I wanted to remind you because I needed to be reminded and I don't know how I could forget about this awesome exercise. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if this works for you, if you find the same conclusions. I'm just here to share my conclusions with you, so maybe you can learn from it, and there's zero harm, so definitely worth checking out. So I guess I'll be seeing you all next video. Peace.